This demonstration walks through the process of bridging two interfaces together on the XG firewall. Let's take a look at a common scenario where it would be required to bridge two interfaces together on a firewall. In this scenario, a small company has its office network split into two halves and connected to a Sophos XG firewall on two different interfaces. The administrator has been asked to bridge the two interfaces together so that the two sides of the office are set up as one local network. Let's take a look at how to do this on the XG firewall. After logging into the XG firewall, navigate to Network and Interfaces. Next, we'll go ahead and bridge two ports together. And to do this, we'll click Add Interface and Bridge. Let's go ahead and call this My Bridge. Let's select ports 4 and 5 as the two ports that we want to bridge together. Both of them are located in the LAN zone. Let's give the bridge port an IP address and net mask. Once that's all completed, we'll go ahead and click Save. On the confirmation prompt that appears, we'll go ahead and click Add Bridge. Lastly, we would be required to go back to the firewall rules and create a firewall rule that allows traffic in between the two bridge zones. We'll navigate to Firewall and click Add Firewall Rule to go ahead and create a new network rule. Let's call this rule LAN to LAN. We'll set the source zone to LAN and we'll set the destination zone to LAN as well. We'll skip scanning and security policies in this case, since this is a LAN to LAN rule, and we'll go ahead and click Save. Our rule has now been created. In this video, we bridged together two interfaces on the XG firewall, and we created a firewall rule to allow traffic in between them.